Hi, I'm Dr. Joseph Jacobs. If you are drinking lemon water every morning or thinking about starting, you're not alone. It's one of the most popular natural health habits out there. But what actually happens to your body when you drink it every day? Let's break it down. Studies show that lemon water can support digestion, boost hydration, and may even enhance skin health. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from oxidative stress and supports immune function. According to a study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition, citric acid found in lemon may help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and citrate levels. Lemon water also supports your liver. Research has shown that compounds in citrus can stimulate liver detox enzymes, helping your body clear out toxins more efficiently. But here's the truth, lemon water is a great start, but it's just one part of a much bigger picture. Real transformation happens when you consistently reduce inflammation, balance your gut, and fuel your body with healing foods. That's why I created the Astra Diet, and I explain it fully in my book, Eat to Heal. This doctor-designed plan shows you how to build a sustainable anti-inflammatory lifestyle that helps fight fatigue, improve digestion, relieve pain, and promote long-term healing naturally. And to help you take the first step, I'm offering a free health coach consultation. You'll learn how to personalize the Astra Diet for your body, create healing meal plans, and take charge of your health without medications or guesswork. So, click the link below to grab your copy of Eat to Heal and schedule your free consultation today.